Did you know that just watching someone yawn can make you yawn too? Ever wonder why? So let's get into the data. One leading theory suggests that yawning might actually be a way to cool your brain. When you're tired or stressed, your brain heats up a little. Taking a big breath of cool air during a yawn, think of it as a natural cool down trick for your brain. But here's the interesting part. Why do you yawn when you see others yawn? Turns out contagious yawning might be linked to empathy. Your brain has something called mirror neurons that make you mimic others' actions, like yawning. So if you yawn while watching this, you might be more empathetic than you think. Did you yawn? Tell me in the comments. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time for more fascinating facts. Don't forget to like and subscribe.